Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage a side hustle with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating your Hootsuite account. Visit the Hootsuite website and click on sign up. Choose the plan that suits your needs, whether free or paid. Once your account is set up, log in to the Hootsuite dashboard. Begin by connecting your social media accounts. Click on My Profile in the top menu and then Social Networks. Select the platforms you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. Now that your accounts are connected, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the Streams section to monitor your social media feeds. Create streams for each social media platform you manage. Add filters to your streams to track specific keywords or mentions. Next, navigate to the Publisher tab. This is where you can plan and schedule your posts. Click on Create Post to start drafting your content. Choose the social media accounts you want to post to from the drop-down menu. Craft your message, add images or videos, and customize for each platform. Select a date and time for your post to go live. Utilize the auto-schedule feature for optimal timing. Once everything looks good, click Schedule to save your post. Keep an eye on your scheduled posts using the calendar view. Now, let's move on to monitoring engagement. Go back to your dashboard and head to the Analytics section. Select the social media account you want to analyze. View metrics like engagement rates, clicks, and reach. Use this data to understand your audience better. Adjust your content strategy based on what performs well. Regularly check your analytics to stay informed. To streamline your workflow, explore Hootsuite apps and integrations. Visit the app directory to find tools that enhance your functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.